Hey guys, it's Adrian. Once again, guys, I'm super pumped. I'm super excited. Guys, what you see in front of you guys, this page right here is converting like madness. I will tell you, madness. Now, guys, check this out. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna give you guys that you can have results like this. Now this company, guys, I joined, I say like maybe like 8 days ago, did a lot of research, I said, okay, this is my company. I want to do this. Uh and if you can read, hemp is creating millionaires, guys. Everyone keeps hearing of all the medical benefits of hemp. We offer it and it's legal, guys. Find out how you can cash in on this huge industry, guys. All right, guys. My videos, I like showing numbers, guys. I want to prove to you guys that I just joined this company, guys. So let's go with the numbers real quick. All right, guys. Let me go to the next one. So I'm super excited. What next thing I'm going to show you? All right. Be patient with me, guys. All right. What I did was I bought some a solo ad from this guy right here that you can see. 73% because it's still running, guys. I got 112 clicks. Not being useless, so basically I got 91, and I still gonna get 125 right there, guys. So it's still running right there. Now I'm gonna show you the numbers one time. Numbers don't lie, guys. Excuse, I don't know if somebody scratched my screen right here, guys. Y'all can see right here, but I'm gonna show you the page. This page right here I just showed y'all. It's the capture page right here, guys. This is what I'm promoting. And it's like only 10 days. All right, it's my capture page right here. People that it's my stock market. All right, guys, numbers don't lie. I don't know what happened to my computer, so I'm sorry if I'm not on point. But let me show you. Capture page. Let me go back. Well, let me go do this first, guys. 106, right? And then once they hit that, they put their name and email in, guys. 86 people watch the presentation, guys. And then after they hit the presentation, guys, click on join now, guys. And that's what you can see. Let me go to my inbox real quick. I have a killer funnel, guys. Killer funnel, guys. And then I also have an email I send to the people right away, guys. And it's very nice. I'll show you the email real quick. I'm gonna show you some of it. But if you join my team, guys, not only the email that I use, not only the traffic where I buy from, and I'll show you where to pick from. But I'm also give you the everything I know, guys. So I'm gonna help you out, and I'm gonna show you my results at the end too of the video, guys. That you can see right here, guys. Congrats, Lisa Little just joined your team, and I'm gonna email her some information, and she just joined today at 10:27. You can see